Kamusta po mga kabayan? Ito ang Patrol Abroad. Magkakaroon na po ng interim space o pansamantalang lugar ang mga Pilipino sa Vancouver habang hinihintay po ang pagtatayo ng Filipino Cultural Center sa naturang lungsod. Ito po ang binalita ng mismong mayor ng Vancouver na si Ken Sim sa pagsimula ng selebrasyon ng Filipino Heritage Month sa buong Canada ngayong Hunyo. Detalye mula po kay Rowena Papas.
Kahit umuulan, itinuloy pa rin ng UFC-ABC ang flag raising tradition nito bilang kick-off sa pagmamarka ng Filipino Heritage Month sa British Columbia ngayong Hunyo. Dinaluhan ito ng mga federal, provincial at city officials sa Canada. Sabay sa pagdiriwang ng 128th Independence Day ng Pilipinas, binanggit ni Vancouver Consul General Gina Hamoralin na sineselebrate din ngayong taon ang isang mahalagang milestone sa relasyon ng Pilipinas at Canada.
This year marks the 70th anniversary of the establishment of the Philippine Consulate in Vancouver, the first diplomatic presence of Philippines in Canada.
Bago nito, idineklara na rin ng City of Vancouver ang Hunyo bilang Filipino Heritage Month at ibinalita rin ni Vancouver City Mayor Ken Sim sa flag raising event na aprobado na ng lungsod ang isang interim space para sa mga Filipino-Canadians sa Vancouver.
One of the biggest shames that we've all observed was the lack of a Filipino cultural center in the city of Vancouver. And as you know, we will always support that. We will do everything we can to make sure that becomes a reality. In the meantime, we are super happy to mention or to announce today that we have identified an interim temporary space for Filipino cultural center.
Walang ibang detalye na ibinigay tungkol sa itinakdang interim space liban sa pagsasabing ito'y nasa central na lokasyon at popondohan ito ng City Hall.
We have identified an interim space that the community can use at nominal cost provided by the city. It's in a city space, so it'll be a place for the community to gather while the new community center is under development and that project is moving forward. The space is currently not occupied, so it should be fairly easy for the group to move in and to set up.
Lubos naman itong ikinasiya ng Filipino Legacy Society.
We are over the moon. This is one step closer to making the dream of a permanent structure, a permanent Filipino Cultural Center a reality in Vancouver.
This is for all of us. Doesn't matter who takes the lead or not. It is for the Filipino people.
Namin ng Filipino Legacy Society na nabisita na nila ang lokasyon.
We did scope out a place, but it's under negotiations, and we'll find out more and we'll release more information once we get. Nothing is final, but a space was identified.
We're eager to work to find out what are the priorities, especially in programming, that we could do in an interim space. So a lot of excitement.
Matatandaan ang paglalaan ng isang interim space para sa mga Pilipino ay nakapaloob sa mosyon na inapurbahan ng Vancouver para sa pagtatayo ng Filipino Cultural Center. Natuwa rin ang konsulado sa magiging pansamantalang lugar para sa mga Pilipino.
Because we really need that hub, that common space for our gatherings. So it's a recognition of the importance of the community contribution here in British Columbia.
Ayon naman sa UFC-ABC, bagamat may inisyal na pondo para dito ang Vancouver, kailangan pa ring magtulungan ang komunidad para matustusan ang gasto sa operasyon nito.
I think we'll be responsible in running it though, so we will need some funding in terms of running the venue, right? If we were provided the building, then the community will have to provide the necessary funding to run it, right? In terms of programming, we will also be in charge.
Hulyo 2025 pa nang lumabas ang What We Heard report kung saan ipinaalam ng mahigit na 1,000 Filipino-Canadian respondents sa provincial government ang pangarap nilang magkaroon ng Filipino Cultural Center. Sa kanyang pagdalo sa pagtitipon, tiniyak naman ni BC Premier David Eby na hindi nakakalimutan ng pamahalaan ang pangako nito.
We're working with there have been a number of proposals that have come forward to the province for a Filipino Cultural Center, including in Vancouver and in Burnaby. We're working with groups right now, refining their proposals to understand what the costs would be, what the opportunities are. So it's a pretty exciting thing, but we want to do it right.
Samantala, kasabay ring ipinagdiwang ang 40th anniversary ng pagkakatatag ng Filipino Plaza na ito. Mula sa Vancouver, ako si Rowena Papasin, ang inyong Patrol Abroad.
At yan ang latest sa Patrol Abroad. Ako po si Henry Umaga Diaz. Hanggang sa muli.